Hi, it's Andrea here, and I'm just feeling inspired to do a short tapping meditation to help us to tune out of the noise and into our inner knowing, and maybe to receiving some of this beautiful light energy that's coming onto the planet at the moment. It's just coming up to winter solstice, and yeah, there's a lot of change in the air. And so it can be energetically quite difficult for us to process. And there's so much in terms of noise going on, in terms of busyness going on, that I thought it would be nice just to do some tapping, which I just find really useful to help me to receive, to be able to meditate, to be able to tune into some beautiful higher frequencies, just by kind of letting go of some of the emotions that are going on at the moment and that I'm picking up on. So I'm going to be doing tapping. If you need to refresh yourself on the tapping points, then just check out. I've got tapping points video that you can access on my YouTube page. If you're watching this anywhere else, so yeah, just check out the tapping points. But if not, just follow along. Yeah, they're very straightforward, so just enjoy. So just taking some nice deep breaths, taking responsibility for your own well-being. If you need to stop, just stop. The tapping will help you to let go of some emotions, whatever they are. So even though we're tapping along for something specific, it could be that you have other emotions going on, and this will certainly help you to release. And it may be that energy goes up to start with, but it will decrease in intensity. So just tapping on the side of the hand, even though there's just so much noise. It might be in my head, it might be externally, it might be different on the TV, it might be what people are saying, it might be my own stuff. I'm choosing to acknowledge how I'm feeling about all this noise and love and accept myself through this. And that can be quite difficult to say, so if any of the words don't fit, just replace them with something that feels right for you. Even though there's just so much noise, and it's so noisy, I'm choosing to love and accept myself through this. Even though it just feels so noisy and busy at the moment, it's difficult to find any time for me or any space. Some quiet time just for today. I'm choosing to tap through my emotions, to take this time for me. And I'm choosing to love and accept myself throughout all of this. And just using the words, just all of this noise, all of this busyness. Maybe it's in your head, maybe it's externally. All of this noise, wherever it's coming from, wherever you're feeling it, just acknowledging it. All of this noise. All of this noise. All of this noise. All this noise. All this noise. Just check in with how you're feeling, whether it's feeling more noisy, less noisy, whether something else is showing up. And just breathing through this. And you might want to pause here and go back and do that again. Just do whatever feels right for you. I'm just going to tap through, even though there's still some of this noise left, this busyness. I'm choosing to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I'm still feeling some of this busyness and this noise, maybe that's okay. Maybe there's just a lot going on right now. Even though it just feels so noisy. I wonder if I could let it go. I wonder if I could choose to tune out of some of this noise and into me. I wonder if I could just breathe some of it out. I wonder if I could see this from a different perspective. I wonder if I could just see it for what it is. It's just noise. And maybe it's other people's noise that I've taken on. And just for today, I'm choosing to let it go. You can imagine it taking it, sending it to Mother Earth. You can imagine a violet flame burning it away. Whatever feels right for you, just breathing it out. It's other people's noise, it doesn't have to be mine. All of this noise. I'm choosing to let it go. I'm choosing to be open to the idea of letting a little bit of it go, whatever feels right for you. And just breathing out. And just tuning out of that noise. I'm just going through the tapping points. And just imagining a purest vibration of white light. Imagine being open to receiving it. Imagine just opening the crown of your head to receive it. Just as you're tapping, you're allowing it to be so. I'm open to receiving some of this beautiful, pure light of the highest vibration to provide some clarity, to help me to connect with my inner knowing, to help me to tune out of the noise and into me. Knowing that this is only the purest light of the highest vibration. And just being open to receiving it. Just for you, imagine your cup filling up. Imagine your body filling up. Imagine your energy system being rebalanced through this beautiful white light. Or just setting the intention to let it do what your energy body needs, what your physical body needs, what your light body needs. Breathing it in. Breathing any remaining energy out. Being open to receiving. I hope you find this helpful. It's just something that came to me for inspiration today. Like I said, there is a lot of energy going on at the moment. There's a lot of shifts going on. And so this is just helping, an idea to help you to use tapping to help to clear some of the energy in order to be receptive to some of these beautiful energies coming in, and just giving yourself the time over the weekend, the 20th and the 21st, going into Monday, to really tune into some of these shifts that are going on. And there are some beautiful meditation gatherings going on there. I know there's some wonderful camera footage of the sun rising and the sun setting, or just having a candle, just sitting, giving yourself some time, just sitting in your room in a quiet space and just allowing yourself to receive some of this beautiful light energy with the highest vibration. And if you would like, I'm holding a beautiful gathering on Sunday myself at 8 o'clock UK time with my wonderful friend and fellow energy psychologist. She has a beautiful meditation download that was given to her husband, which she would like to share with us to help to clear some of the corona fear, and also beautiful heart-to-heart connection to help us to connect from our heart space with someone that we love and that we can't be with in this time. And of course, we'd be doing some tapping to clear some of the energy beforehand too. So if you'd like to join us, I'll put the link down at the bottom of this page. And if you can't join us, then please do take some time to receive some of these wonderful energies that are coming onto the planet to support us and to support the planet. So I wish you well. I send love your way, and I thank you for being here, for watching this, and for taking some time for you. So sending love your way, and thanks for watching. Take care.